Hello everyone, my name is Salim and welcome to the markets breakdown analysis for Friday, the 24th of March 2023. We'll be breaking down the chart. I want to show you the exact zones where price could close above for potential buys or close below for potential sells as well. So looking at the previous daily candle closing bearish, respecting this daily resistance formed on Wednesday, what we can see is the Thursday daily candle broke below this daily support and then rejected and closed back just within this daily support. Now, just to quickly review the weekly time frame, what we can see, the current weekly candle, it's respecting the previous weekly low and respecting the previous weekly high, respecting this weekly resistance and respecting this weekly support. And when you drop down to the daily time frame, what you can see is the daily has been holding this consolidation zone on the daily time frame. So price is just ranging on the higher time frame. Now dropping down to the 4-hour time frame to look for potential buys and sells. The most recent 4-hour support is at 159.840. The most recent 4-hour resistance on the left, we have this one, 161.640. Dropping down to the hourly time frame, we can adjust the most recent support to this hourly support at 160.370. We have a same level of resistance on the hourly time frame, and on a 30-minute time frame, we can adjust the support to 160.230. And then on resistance, we have a same level for resistance. But the thing is, we've got this rejection wick on the... So we've got it on the hourly, we have it on a 30-minute time frame. Let's just have a line in here. And then on a 50-minute time frame, that's rejecting this 50-minute resistance. Okay, so potential sells, I would say, if price break and close below 160.390, there's a higher probability for price to continue bearish, because it looks good within the hourly time frame, I would say. For potential buys, now the first thing I've noticed is obviously this daily closed bearish, but just within this daily support on the 4-hour time frame, we have this previous 4-hour support. So if we get a candle closing above this 4-hour support, previous support, and that's also above this previous candle that formed this rejection on the hourly time frame, there's a higher probability for price to continue bullish. And that kind of lines up with this 15-minute resistance. So potential buys will be on close above 161.010. And this is going to be the no trade zone. Now to look for potential buys. And going back to the... Let's have a look at the monthly. Okay, so monthly bearish, still respecting this daily support, this monthly support. The only issue is now to look at the monthlies, you have the daily consolidating, so you might as well refer to the lower time frame, because you can still look at the daily ranges and weekly ranges, but if the daily is consolidation, the weekly is not doing anything and the monthly is not doing anything either. So yeah, so dropping down to the daily, what I can say for potential buys, we have this daily resistance around 161.790. Let's have a look on weekly. Okay, so the daily resistance, and then on 4-hour time frame, we have this 4-hour resistance at 161.630. Dropping down to the hourly time frame, that lines up with the 4-hour resistance. And then on a 30-minute time frame, lines up as well. And on a 15-minute time frame, we have this 50-minute resistance. But with volume, price is just going to push through these minor resistance. So now the first target for buys could be 161.630, targeting this 4-hour resistance. The second target for buys, going back to the daily, the first thing I can see is I can see this previous daily support, and we rejected this support multiple times. So if price break and close on, like, let's say the hourly time frame or something, if it breaks and close above this 4-hour support, which is the hourly and the 30-minute resistance, there is a higher probability for price to retest this previous daily support. So the second target would be 162.170, targeting this previous daily support. And now to look for sells, and going to the weekly actually. Okay, so daily time frame. What we can see is we have this previous daily resistance on the left. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, we have this 4-hour support at 159.840. Dropping down to the hourly time frame, we have this hourly support. On the 5-minute time frame, we have this support in here, but then a 5-minute formed a fake out where price broke below, and then closed back in the range and continued bullish. And then on the 15-minute time frame is, I would say I'd stick with the high time frame on that one. I would target the 4-hour support at 159.820, targeting this 4-hour support as a first target for sells. For the second target for sells, possibly we could have 159.370, targeting this previous daily resistance at 159.370.